Why is there something rather than nothing? How did everything begin? What was there before the beginning? Where did the material come from that created the Big Bang? What happened in the first instance to create that material? Why are we here? When it comes to understanding the universe, trust me, we've barely scratched the surface. These questions I asked above have been circulating in the realms of human curiosity for countless generations, transcending time and spanning cultures. We've been sending different telescopes, like the James Webb and Hubble, to explore the depths of the cosmos. These marvels of engineering have actually done a great job in unraveling some of the universe's secrets, possibly shedding light on a small fraction of its vastness. Day in and day out, we've diligently scanned the skies, capturing breathtaking images of distant galaxies, nebulae, and celestial phenomena, expanding our knowledge of the cosmos with each observation. Through these telescopes, we've witnessed the birth and death of stars, marveled at the intricate dance of galaxies and cosmic collisions, and unraveled the mysteries of black holes. We've measured the redshift of distant galaxies, allowing us to peer back billions of years into the past, offering a glimpse of the universe in its infancy. But with all of these magnificent discoveries, we still have numerous unanswered questions. Everywhere, why, when, how, where? Can we ever answer these questions? Well, you have to keep watching. The last star will slowly cool and fade away. With its passing, the universe will become once more void, without light or life or meaning. This statement was mentioned by physicist Brian Cox in a BBC series. This is how everything might end. Some other theories suggest that our very own Big Bang, the genesis of our universe, might have originated from a previous incarnation of emptiness, a cold, dark, and empty universe similar to the one awaiting us in the distant future. This is just the first theory. What about theory 2, which suggests there is no first man or woman, no singular event that sparked the universe into existence? Instead, the universe has always been and will always be existing in a state of perpetual existence. According to this theory, the cosmos undergoes an unending series of expansions and contractions, with each cycle seamlessly transitioning into the next. It is an eternal cosmic dance, where the fabric of reality remains constant, unaffected by the passage of time. This theory challenges our conventional notions of a linear timeline and a definitive origin. It suggests that the concept of before and after loses its meaning as the universe persists in a state of unending existence. It invites us to reimagine the nature of reality itself, where the eternal cosmos encompasses all possibilities. And then, Theory 3 takes us even further, suggesting the existence of infinite universes, each with its own set of physical laws, constants, and conditions. According to this theory, our universe is just one among an infinite ensemble of parallel universes. Each universe within this vast ensemble may have different properties, leading to a staggering array of diverse realities. Every conceivable outcome and configuration exists, encompassing an unimaginable breadth of cosmic landscapes, from universes where the laws of physics are entirely different, to those where life takes on forms we can scarcely imagine. Strange, right? The next one, Theory 4, suggests that the reality we perceive as a universe is, in fact, a sophisticated program created by an advanced civilization or a higher intelligence. In this scenario, our entire existence, including the laws of physics, the fundamental particles, and even our own consciousness, is a product of an intricately designed computer program. It proposes that what we perceive as a physical world is a complex virtual construct, akin to some sort of hyper-advanced video game. Supporters of this theory argue that the rapid advancements in technology and computing power, along with our own efforts to create realistic virtual environments, point toward the feasibility of such a universe. They propose that an advanced civilization with incomprehensible computing capabilities could create a simulated reality that is indistinguishable from the real universe. Well, I've given you about 4 theories. If you know the names of these theories, make sure you comment their names below. Let's continue. You see, the universe is very strange. We got particles popping in and out of existence. Everywhere there's something and then pop, nothing. We've got dark matter, a mysterious substance that makes up a significant portion of the universe's mass, but remains invisible to our current methods of observation. It does not emit, absorb, or reflect light, yet its gravitational effects can be observed in galaxies and the large-scale structure of the universe. We've also got dark energy, which seems to be expanding the universe with immense speed. Unlike gravity, which acts as an attractive force, dark energy seems to push galaxies apart, causing the fabric of space itself to stretch. This expansion occurs on such a grand scale that it surpasses the gravitational forces between galaxies, leading to an ever-widening cosmic expanse. And then we have the Big Bang, which tries to explain the origin and evolution of our universe. The universe, as we know it, began from an incredibly hot and dense state approximately 13.8 billion years ago, suggesting that all matter, energy, space, and time originated from a singularity, a point of infinite density and temperature. In an extraordinary event, the universe rapidly expanded and continues to expand to this day. It was during this expansion that the fundamental forces and particles that govern the cosmos came into existence. But is it perfect? Did the Big Bang happen inside space? Or was the Big Bang the beginning of space itself? Where did it happen? And how did it happen? Why did it happen in the first place? You see, the Big Bang Theory gives us a remarkable glimpse into the birth of our universe. But there are still many unanswered questions. We may have an idea of what happened after the bang, but what happened before the bang is where we are left hanging. How could all matter, energy, space, and time be packed into a point of infinite density and temperature? It boggles the mind. Strangely enough, some cosmologists entertain the idea that a previous incarnation of emptiness, a cold, dark, and empty universe similar to the one awaiting us in the distant future, could have been the source of our very own Big Bang. This may sound confusing, but let me explain what I mean. First off, I want us to look at how the concept of material or physical matter came into existence. When we consider the origins of stable matter, composed of atoms or molecules, it becomes clear that such matter did not exist during the initial stages of the Big Bang, nor for hundreds of thousands of years thereafter. The early universe was a hot and dense environment filled with highly energetic particles that prevented the formation of complex matter. However, as the universe expanded and cooled over time, conditions became favorable for the formation of the first atoms. This process, known as nucleosynthesis, allowed simpler particles to combine and create stable atoms such as hydrogen and helium. But this understanding doesn't address the question of whether something came from nothing.